Alright guys, this is going to be a proof of concept. This is actually the second take. It's about 30 degrees outside right now. My fingers are getting too cold to continue with what I was doing. But you can take and shave up one of the Esbit tabs and light it with a striker. It's just too cold for me to do it outside right now. But it can be done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some cotton, light it, then light the Esbit tab, stick it in my stove, and we're going to do a test to see if the tin's capable enough to make charcloth in. So let's get busy. Zoom in a little bit here. See if we can do it this way. If not, I'm just going to cheat and use a lighter. Like I said, my fingers are very cold right now. So let's puff that up. Oops, get it out of the water. Put this inside here. Put my other Esbit tab in there. Throw some wood in here slowly. And inside the tin here I've got 6 pieces of dishcloth. I'm going to go ahead and seal this up. I put one small hole right dead center, and I left the labels on so you can see. I'm going to put my glove back on now. Zoom you back out and kind of move you in closer so you can see what's going on up here. And now we're going to fast forward through a lot of this.
Nobody touch here. Go on for sale.
Okay, it's not going to focus in very well right now. There it goes. But if you look real close, you can see there's actually fire coming out of the hole. That's a good thing. So far it looks like we might be working. I wouldn't let my fire go out. Okay, fire's about out. Yes, I had to restart it. It's my fault. I let it go out. Wasn't paying attention. So I'm gonna let this cool off. Then we'll look back inside and go inside where it's warmer and see how things turned out. See you inside. All right, we're back inside and it's cooled off, and I've warmed up a little bit. Yes, I like the cold, but hey, it can still be cold. It happens. Anywho, as far as the tin goes, yeah, it got pretty dirty. Yeah, and oops. Now that I've got that open, I can take my gloves off. No, hold on. If you look at the lid here, you can see where the gasification took place. It's got a nice bronze color on the inside, and except right around that hole where it's clean. It means it did a really good job of igniting the stuff inside without actually letting it burn to pieces. And we'll just grab a piece of this, and I guess we need to see if it'll actually light. But it looks like all the pieces actually charred up nice. Except the bottom piece, which kind of stuck. But it's still good. So, 1 second. I'm back. Striker. See if I can get my hands to cooperate here. Not that way. And there you go. So it does. They will work for making charcloth. See if I can put that out. So yes, the tins will function very well for charcloth. And like I said outside, you can take a knife and shave up those little S-bit things. You can light it with a striker. It'll take you a few minutes. It just got too cold for my fingers with the way they are in my own neuropathine carpal tunnel to actually do it again. I did it inside the house to proof of concept it myself. But once I got outside, it was just too cold for my fingers to work anymore. But it does work. It'll just take you 5-6 minutes to get it done. Nice, finely shaved. And you won't even see it at first when it finally lights, but you'll feel it. So, that's it. Nice short little exclusive for my Facebook peeps. Talk to y'all later. Peace.